Forex brokers will leave you broker than you were before you entered Forex. Hello? Now, if you think that crypto is full of scams, then I'm sure you have never tried Forex yet. I recently delved into the world of Forex, and what I saw shocked me. Fear catch me. Now, let me tell you something. Do not go into Forex until you have watched this video right till the end. In this video, I am going to be exposing to you scam Forex brokers. Yes, my name is Victor Isibo. If you are excited already, smash on the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you share this video with somebody. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, as you can see already, we have three different types of brokers. Brokers are those that helps you to facilitate trades in Forex. For you to trade Forex, you need a broker. Now, we have three types of brokers. All right. We have the A book brokers, we have the B book brokers, and we have the hybrid brokers. But the most important one to us are the B book brokers, which is called the market maker model. Now, a B book broker keeps trades inside its own system instead of sending them to the real market. You dey see the wayo? Now let me tell you some key characteristics. The broker becomes the counterparty to the trader. It is you against them. When you are trading with a B book broker, it is you versus them. They don't wish you well. When you lose money as a trader, the broker will keep the loss as their profit. Your loss is their profit. When you win as a trader, the broker is the one to pay the money. So this is how they make money. Number one, from clients trading losses. Number two, from spreads and commissions. Okay, so there is a potential conflict of interest because the broker profits from the client's losses. There can be incentives to favor losing traders than the profitable ones. So a big book broker wants people trading on their platform to lose money. All right. So possible behaviors that have been sometimes reported with unethical B book setups, like restricting or delisting profitable copy traders. If there is a profitable copy trader on a B book broker and people are copying that person's trades and people are cashing out, they will delist that copy trader. So if a B book broker is offering you copy trading facility or feature, run, because a B book broker does not wish you well. Another thing that B book brokers do is increasing slippage or spreads so that they can make more money. All right. They also limit leverage or trade size. They also discourage strategies that consistently win. All right. Copy trading risk in a bad environment, in poorly regulated situations, a broker might try to promote high risk strategies that statistically cause followers to lose money. You understand? They don't want you to make money, so they are constantly looking for ways that you will lose money. They will bring people that don't know jack about Forex. They will say, oh, they are copy traders. Come and copy these people so that you will lose money. They can even bring in skilled Forex traders to put their trades available for copying and negotiate with those copy traders to deliberately set bad trades so that the community will lose, and they will offer such a trader a share of the losses. Make people lose $5 million on our platform, we'll give you 10% of the money. Then you will see copy traders whose trades are available for copy. We set bad trades and the entire community is liquidated and he is happy because you people are operating under a B book broker. All right. Another problem with B book broker is withdrawal problems. If profit must be paid directly by the broker, some problematic platforms will create withdrawal barriers, such as long processing times, repeated KYC verification requests, changing withdrawal limits, asking for extra processing fees. They'll start claiming technical or liquidity issues. These are often red flags traders should watch out for, because Big book brokers are the ones that pay you profit from their pocket. So of course, they do not want to pay you. A legit broker should not have any problems paying you your money when you make a withdrawal request. The moment a broker is telling you your capital must stay in the system for XYZ number of days before it comes out, you should be able to sense that this might be a big book broker. Let me give you a relatable example that will make you know how big book brokers operate exactly. A lot of you watching this video are young men and women, and you understand how football betting works, or maybe coupon, all those pool houses, betting in general. If you go to play a game in a bet shop and the owner looks at your bet and he decides that this bet can never win, this bet will never win, he can decide to keep the money in his pocket and not take the money to the promoter that is working for, maybe Bet Naija, or he will not remit the money to Bet Naija. He will keep the money in his pocket, believing that your bet will never win because he feels you will never win. So if you are staking with 50,000, he doesn't take the 50,000 to the betting company. He doesn't remit it to them. There's no record to show that such a bet was staked because he's 100% confident that you're not going to win. But when you now eventually win, that agent becomes a big book broker or bet agent because he will be the one to have to pay you your money because the office is not aware of such a stake. So if you are trading with a big book broker, the Forex market is not aware of your trades. They internalize the whole thing. They are the ones to pay you. They are market makers. They are the ones to pay you from their pocket. I think this makes sense. Now, let us talk about A-book brokers. Now, an A-book broker sends clients' trades directly to liquidity providers or the real market. What are some of the characteristics of an A-book broker? The broker does not take the opposite side of the trade. Trades are passed to banks, liquidity providers, or exchanges. So they don't profit from your losses. A-book brokers, no. It's neither here nor there for them, whether you win or lose. So when you're operating under an A-book broker, you are copying trades, you have more chances of winning because they will not try to influence those that you are copying to deliberately set bad trades so that you can lose. It doesn't concern them whether you're winning or you're losing. All right. Now, how do they make their money? Number one, from trading spreads. Okay. Number two, from commissions per trade. Number three, from high trading volume. So the important difference is this. Trader wins, broker still earns commission. Trader loses, broker still earns commission. So profitable traders are not a problem for an A-book broker. Now, of course, you have number three, which is the hybrid model, which is also very, very common. So many brokers use a hybrid model. Typical structure: beginner or losing traders. When they see that you're a beginner or you're a losing trader, they will use B-book for you. It's just like that guy who doesn't know how to bet and is making rubbish prediction, and the bet agent does not bother to take your bet to the company. They are sure that you will lose, so they want to chop your money. They will not take you to the company direct. So they will use B-book brokerage for a beginner or a losing trader. So when they see large or consistently profitable traders, they will now hedge it in the real markets like A-book. These allow brokers to manage risk while still earning spreads and commission. But the best broker to work with is A-book brokers. Now, so if you're looking for a legitimate A-book broker that will not manipulate trades for you to lose, and you want to copy some of their profitable traders and make money, shoot me a message. Look at the link in the description of this video. You will find a legitimate and well-regulated broker. Not brokers that went to get regulated in Mauritius, Cayman Island, St. Vincent and Grenadines, tax havens. You are looking for a broker that is well-regulated with the relevant regulatory bodies. In the part 2 of this video, I will tell you how to see red flags of a dangerous Forex broker. I will explain further.